Everyone, this is Nikun Shah. Welcome back to APM Beginner's Guide. In this video, we are going to see how to automate any browser in Android device. So we are going to use Chrome browser for this particular purpose. Let's create a new class. We'll create a testng class. Let's name it as browser automation. We'll just copy paste the before class and after class methods. Now we'll create our test method. Just give any name. That's it. There are few changes. I'm going to use version 10.0 inside emulator itself. And there's one more thing that we need to add. That is Chrome driver. So we'll set one more capability, that is Chrome driver executable, and the next parameter will be the path to that driver. Now from where you can download this driver is, you can go to this particular link and then you can search for different Chrome drivers which are compatible with different versions of Chrome browser. Right now in our AVD, we'll check the version of Chrome which we want to use. Click on these three dots, go to settings, go right at the bottom, there is about Chrome. Click on it and you'll find the Chrome version. So right now we have version 74. So we need to download that particular version of Chrome driver. Based on your OS, download the driver and extract it on your local system. And then give the path of that Chrome driver.exe over here. Since we are automating the browser, we'll add one more capability. That is browser name. We'll mention here Chrome. Since we have already mentioned the browser name Chrome, we don't need to give this app package and app activity. We'll remove this. For before classes, all set. Now in the test method, we'll write the test. I'm going to write a simple test of visiting www.google.com, searching something over here, let's say Hollywood Wiki, and press enter. And then you'll get these things. So in Selenium, what we do is we use driver.get to visit google.com, right? And then we identify this particular element and perform send keys over here and then press enter. So this way we do in Selenium for web automation. The same thing we are going to do over here as well, because we have mentioned that we are automating browser and we have also provided the Chrome driver. we have to write exactly the same code as we are going to write in Selenium for web automation. So our first step would be driver.get and we'll mention the URL, that is google.com. Now we'll add a wait to identify this element. So I'm going to write these two statements: WebDriver wait, we are going to use web element itself because it is a web app, and I'm using explicit wait, so expected conditions. Now I am using by CSS selector. So let's see over here. I'll go to dev mode and I'll select this particular search bar. You can see the class glfyf. Let me just select it and check if it is unique. If we do, yes, it is unique. We can use this particular class in CSS selector. Now we'll perform src dot send keys. We'll give them a string. Let's say Hollywood wiki. Now we'll add few waits and some print statements. Let's give 2 seconds. Wait. We'll need to throw this exception as well. And after entering Hollywood wiki, we'll give one more thread.sleep of 2 seconds. Before that, we'll print a statement. Say browser automation done. That's it. So you can see I'm using the same things that we use in our Selenium for web automation. The only thing is these capabilities. If we set these capabilities, then we can automate any browser on our device, provided that particular browser has a driver available for APM. Now let's run our code. I'll close this app, start the server. Okay, server is already running. I'll just run this test suite. You can see the browser has opened and our search is also working. Okay, there was one issue that after send keys, we did not press enter. So the search actually did not happen. So what we are going to do is src dot send keys again. Here we'll write keys dot enter. Yeah. So let's try running this app again. Yes, now after typing the search, it will press enter. So the search has happened and our test cases passed. So here src.send keys.enter was very important for the search to actually happen. So this is how you automate any browser in your mobile device. You just need to have the drivers and that particular browser in your device. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you are updated of my new videos. Thank you once again.